here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to your partner. 6, 7, 8. Not me.
In our
not
case,
you.
the adults will be out here on the edge.
The adults are outside, and they're supposed to be facing each other.
Oh, so we will face each
You
other.
guys doing
Okay.
the same thing, okay? Okay? You're going to be in the back with the rest of the girls, okay? Because I have 4 of the girls up front, okay? Okay. You're going to be doing facing each other, right? 8 counts, figure 8. Then your right foot come out, and you're doing this. And da 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 da. And then da da da. Susie, you're going to this way.
Attention.
To the left.
Because you're going to be doing this with mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So when we're going out this way, you guys going the opposite, and then we're going to switch hands. You stay right there with that hand, and we're going to shake. 3, 4. I think it's 4 or 6 count. Then we're going 1, 2. Out.
What'd you just do?
1, 2. Flip. Out.
Right.
Yeah.
It's the Air Force.
Yeah. Okay. So you're going 1, 2. Bum bum. Okay. And then we go back to the cards.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Let's